Hey cutie pies, what's going on? Hope you cuties are doing okay today. So yes, I'm popping in with another review for you all, and I'm super excited about this one because this is perfect for summer, spring, fall, winter, all of those seasons. And I know you guys are ready for the spring. I'm ready for summer, actually. I'm ready to just dive into the warm weather, the hotter weather. I'm missing the beach. I'm missing the carnivals and festivals and all of that. So yeah, this is perfect for that type of weather. And I'll get into why in a few here. Thanks for tuning into this video. If you're new, hi. If you're old, oldie but goodie, thanks for returning, and press that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate that. So I've never seen this unit review here on the YT. This is from Vella Vella. This is called Sandy, and I have Sandy in a color 1. This is the wig on the model. And again, that is the color 1. Super cute on her. I do love my straighter units. I don't review many of them on my channel just because there's a lot of curly ones I do like, but I really do enjoy straight hair on myself. I just don't really wear it too often. I don't know why, but I really do, like I said, like how I look in it. And I do feel like this is perfect for the spring and summer because of the density and how short it is. I'm giving this one about 18 to 16 inches long, so right below or above the boob, I should say. And it's a nice natural density, so it's not really skimpy, but it's not overly full. It's like a medium to natural density, which I can appreciate. The only thing that's a con for me with this unit is the parting. This is how the parting came, starting here and ending there. It is about a 6-inch part, but as you can see, it's very narrow. It doesn't look too bad, in my opinion, once you add the powder, because it does open up a bit once you put the powder in. But however, it is still slim. It does come with this little bit of lace here to make it look a little bit natural. It's slightly pre-plucked, but not too much. You do have it like glueless on the side. You will have to add some powder on the side. I did cut 2 baby hairs. These did not come here. It does not come with baby hairs. Well, actually it does, but they're very, very wispy hairs. Almost invisible, so you will probably have to create some baby hairs. Just cut a few short hairs in the front from side to side to frame your face, and kind of just swoop them over. I do have a baby hair video tutorial, and I'll link that down below in the cards, so you can in the description box, so that you can check that baby hair video out. It's pretty easy to create baby hairs if you're new to wearing wigs. This one is very silky, no yucky to this. Actually, I would say it's a very light yucky, but more silky than anything. Very silky run through, very soft buttery run through. Now I did add some wax here. I used some wax on the top, and I also used my pressing comb to press that down to give me a more sleek, seamless look. This is all the hair pushed to the front. So it is, like I said, a natural density, not too overpowering with the hair. Definitely not going to engulf your face. You definitely could go in and cut some layers if you want to, if you would like to. You probably don't need to, but if that's what you prefer, you can definitely do that. I just love the density on this one, and I just love that it's natural, and I love the length as well. As far as tangling, I'm not getting any tangling right off. Further down the line, this is synthetic. We all know by now synthetic units will tangle no matter how short or long they are. They're going to tangle, they're going to get dry, so you're going to need some oil shine, wig shine, some mousse, Simply Styling Silk Spray to bring it back to life. You can even wash your wigs and flat iron this. I did add heat to it all the way down. I put a pressing comb to it and it took very well. I did have it on the highest heat, so that was about 400. But if you don't have to be like me, girls. You don't have to put it to the highest heat, because sometimes you're taking a gamble with putting it to the highest heat. Sometimes you will burn it. But what I suggest, if you're going to put it to the highest heat, test the back of the hair, like the nape area, like a piece from the back, and kind of like, you know, put the pressing comb on it. And if it doesn't like burn off, then I would say it's good to go. And that's what I usually do. Because I like a really sleek look, so I like to use the highest heat sometimes. But if you're like very careful with your units, I would say maybe go to 270s, 275, just to be safe. I'm not getting any shedding whatsoever, so that's good about the units. No shedding, like literally no shedding at all. And that's very rare for a synthetic unit. No shedding. I cannot even say I have one strand coming out. Now you do get some special colors with this one. You get your 1B2 blonde. That would probably be cute. The one you get the F1B30 rose pink, TT27, and TT copper. So you get that ginger color. Hi, you're back. You want to say hi? Come here. You want to say hi? Oh, say hi. Hi. Clap those hands. Clap those hands. Okay, Mikey, come get your brother. Ladies, I really thank you guys for being patient with me through these videos. With having a second child, it has been a little challenging to record, but you guys know I'm gonna push through for you guys. And so yeah, let's get this done and over with. The cap size on this one, this cap size is a big head friendly cap size. Now this one can get tight on your head because I did crisscross the latches and I did get a headache. So just be mindful of that when you're crisscrossing the latches. Don't put them too tight because you don't want a headache, and you know sometimes you will get a headache when you're out and about. It's difficult to unlatch them too. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And it says it's premium quality, professionally designed wig. It just teaches you the steps on how to put it on. The lace was like a light brown tint, not too light and not too dark. I did add some pressed powder to the part. And yeah, I'm gonna give it a 360. I'm not sure if I did already. I'm getting old. I will be 40 in April, so yeah. What you want? Get out. Get out. You better stop hitting me. And here's the front again. Super cute. I love this. I can't wait to wear this unit. I really do like how it looks in pictures and things like that. Straight hair. I just like anybody in a straight unit. I think it's just a classic hairstyle. But anyways, that is all I have for you guys today. I really appreciate you for watching. If you're new again, thanks for watching. I hope you consider subscribing. And if you're old, thanks for coming back. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.